Hello and super morning all of you. This is your mom. It's pleasure to meet you again. So today I am here with my another concept, and first of all tell me, did you like my previous concept? Did you like it? Okay, so now today I am here again with my another concept of empty and full. Empty and full. Empty and full. So what is the meaning of empty and full? I will show you some examples first, okay? So now what is this? What is this? This is a glass. This is a glass and there is no water in it. There is no water in it. This is empty. There is no water in it. It is empty. Now, what is this? This is a glass again, but there is water in it. So, this is full. This is full. And this glass is full of water. But this glass is empty. And this glass is full of water. And this is empty. So can I pour it? No, this is bad na. Now next is, what is this? This is a bowl. So there is something in it? No, this bowl is empty. This bowl is empty. Now the second one bowl is, oh my God, this bowl is full of lemons. This bowl is full of lemons. Now this bowl is full and this bowl is empty. This bowl is full and this bowl is empty. So now I have another example. Wait. So what is this? This is a disposal glass na. So this is empty. Now I will put some colors in it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this glass is empty? No, this is full. This glass is full. This is empty? No, this glass is full. So next is, what is this? This is a box and this box is full of blocks. So this this box is empty or full? This box is full. This box is full. This box is full. So now we will do some activity, but before starting this, I will give you some examples again. So this is empty and this is full. This is empty and this is full. Now, wow, this box is full of rice, but this is empty. This is full. This is empty. This is full and this is empty. Now next one is, here are two glasses. So this is full. No, this is empty and this is full. This is empty and this is full. Now we will do some activity. Write full or empty below each items. Like empty and full, they are opposites. So this box is full or empty? Tell me. This box is full or empty? Empty. So we have to write empty. Okay. Now next is, this basket is full or empty? No, this basket is full of apples. So this is full. We have to write full. Next is glass. This glass is full of water. No, this is empty. So we have to write empty, okay? Now this is fridge or refrigerator. So this refrigerator is full? Yes, of course, there are many things in it. So this is full. So this is full or empty? This is again full. Now this is full or empty? This is empty. So now this is the concept of full, empty and full. Now what you have to do at your home, so you have to make a video with the concept of full and empty and send me on school WhatsApp. Now it's time to go, but ma'am will come back soon with another interesting concept. So thank you to join me and watching me. So till then, goodbye.